Happy Friday, algebra students. I am not in the building today, so there will be no Google Meet. You are taking your Unit 1 test, and you can access that test right here by going to Edulastic and completing the Unit 1 test. Remember, my recommendations are to have a paper and pencil out so that you can check your work. You may also use a calculator to double check those calculations. And please don't rush. There's plenty of time to get the test done. I would recommend that you work through the test, take a break, come back, check your work again, and then submit it. Make sure that is done by Sunday night. Also, as a reminder, next week I will get to see you in person on Monday and Tuesday. Those of you that are coming, just come to school and we'll get started. And those of you that are going to be home on Monday and Tuesday, it is super important that you check Schoology both days for your work. There will be a folder in Schoology. It won't be Unit 1, but there'll be a folder right here at the top of your page, and there'll be a folder there for Monday, and then there will be another one on Tuesday, and you will need to do that work independently. Please remember that I will have limited time to check my email because I will be teaching the rest of the students. But I will see those of you that are going to be there Monday, Tuesday on Monday, Tuesday. The rest of you, just check Schoology for your work, and I will see you on Thursday and Friday. So have a terrific weekend, and I will see you next week. Good luck on your test.